In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change character in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily change between all of the characters available in Cursed Arena. You will be able to change between all of the ones that you have unlocked, and you can see the requirements to get new movesets or new characters in Cursed Arenas if you don't have them. So first, to keep it simple, all that you have to do to change character is to click on this little icon at the top left corner of the screen. This is going to work if you are on mobile, console, or PC, and once you tap or click on this icon, you will be able to see all of the characters that you have. So right now they have the Strongest Sorcerer, the King of Curses, Best Friend, Cursed Apprentice, Volcano Head, Sorcerer Hunter, Shadow Sorcerer, Special Curse, Overtime Worker, Restless Gambler, Blood Manipulator, Cursed Lawyer, and Verdant Sage. And as you might expect, all that you have to do to switch between them is to choose the one that you want to switch into. So for example, I want to play as the King of Curses, so if I click on him, I'll immediately spawn as the King of Curses. So this also allows you to reset your character. And now you will notice that the moveset has changed. You will see the new moveset that the character has, and you will still be able to do all the usual things. So you can do combos, every character is going to have an awakening bar, you will be able to see all of the different moves, you can walk up to any enemies and do the moves as you would with any other character, so just choose them here and press the respective button, and you can switch between characters freely. Now, if you try to switch into a character that you don't have, usually these ones with this skull emoji, you will get this message, you don't have this moveset. This is because most of these characters are special grades and they have to be unlocked by killing special bosses. As you can see, by killing these bosses, you have a chance of getting their movesets. But as long as you unlock the moveset by getting lucky and dealing damage to these bosses, you will be able to switch between them. And once you spawn, you will be able to use all of their movesets and see how they work. I hope I was able to help you on how to change characters in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.